Good morning, students. Welcome back to new session. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Two circles of radii 5 centimeters and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points and the distance between the centers is 4 centimeters. Find the length of the common chord. Here, we have two intersecting circles with centers at O and O naught respectively. Let PQ be the common chord. Since in two intersecting circles, the line joining their centers is perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Therefore, angle OLP equal to angle OLQ equal to 90 degrees and PL equal to LQ. Now, in right triangle OLP, we have PL square plus OL square equal to PO square. Since PL square plus 4 minus x whole square equal to 5 square, as we know that OL equal to 4 minus x and PO equal to 5. It gives you PL square equal to 9 minus x square plus 8x. This is equation 1. Again, in right triangle O naught LP, PL square equal to PO naught square minus LO naught square. If we substitute the values, we get 3 PL square equal to 3 square minus x square, that equal to 9 minus x square. From 1 and 2, we have 9 minus x square plus 8x equal to 9 minus x square. So since simplify, you will get x equal to 0. Therefore, L and O naught coincide. Therefore, PQ is the diameter of the smaller circle. That is PL equal to 3 centimeters. But PL equal to LQ, so LQ is also equal to 3 centimeters. Now therefore PQ equal to PL plus LQ, that equal to 6 centimeters. Thus the required length of the common chord is 6 centimeters. Into question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of the other chord. Given a circle with center O and equal chords AB and CD intersect at E. To prove AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. Construction. Draw OM perpendicular AB and ON perpendicular CD. Join OE. Proof. Since AB equal to CD given data, therefore OM equal to ON, equal chords are equidistant from the center. Now, in triangle OME and triangle ONE, we have angle OME equal to ONE, which each equal to 90 degrees, OM equal to ON, proved above, and OE equal to OE, common hypotenuse. Therefore, triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE by RHS congruency rule. Therefore, which impels ME equal to NE by CPCT. Adding AM on both sides, we get AM plus ME equal to AM plus NE. We know that AE equal to DE, that is DN plus NE, and AB equal to CD, that is half AB, that equal to half DC. Therefore, AM equal to DN. That impels AE equal to DE. Equation 1. Now, AB minus AE equal to CD minus DE. That impels BE equal to CE. Equation 2. From 1 and 2, we have AE equal to DE and CE equal to BE. Question number 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersecting to the center make equal angle with the chords. Given a circle with center O and equal chords AB and CD are intersecting at E, to prove angle OEA equal to angle OED. Construction. Draw OM perpendicular AB and ON perpendicular CD. Join OE. Proof. In triangle OME and triangle ONE, OM equal to ON, equal chords are equidistant from the center, therefore OE equal to OE, common hypotenuse. Angle OME equal to angle ONE, each equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE by RHS congruency criteria. That impels angle OEM equal to angle OEN by CPCT. That impels angle OEA equal to angle OED. Three girls, Reshma, Salma, and Manideep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Let the three girls, Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, be positioned at R, S, and M respectively on the circle with center O and radius 5 meters such that R is equal to SM equal to 6 meters. Given data, each chord of a circle subtend equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2. In triangle POR and triangle POM, we have OP equal to OP, common side, and OR equal to OM, radii of a circle, angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved above. Therefore, triangle POR is congruent to triangle POM by SAS congruency criteria. Therefore, PR equal to PM and angle OPR equal to angle OPM by CPCT. Therefore, angle OPR plus angle OPM equal to 180 degrees. Since we know that it's linear pair and we know that OPR and OPM are equal, then the both angles are equal to 90 degrees. That impulse OP is perpendicular to RM. Now, in triangle RSP and triangle MSP, we have RS equal to MS, each 6 centimeters, SP equal to SP, common side, and PR equal to PM, proved above. Therefore, triangle RSP is congruent to triangle MSP by SSS congruency rule. That impulse angle RPS equal to angle MPS by CPCT. But RPS plus MPS equal to 180 degrees as it is a linear pair. Therefore, RPS equal to angle MPS, this equals to 90 degrees. SP passes through O. Let OP equal to x meters, then SP will be 5 minus x meters. We know that length of the radius is 5 meters. Now, in right triangle OPR, we have x square plus RP square equal to 5 square. That gives you RP square equal to 5 square minus x square. In right triangle SPR, we have 5 minus x square plus RP square equal to 6 square through Pythagoras theorem. As we know that so RP square will be equal to 6 square minus 5 minus x whole square. From 1 and 2, we get 5 square minus x square equal to 6 square minus 5 minus x whole square. If you simplify, you will get x equal to 1.4. Now, RP square equal to 5 square minus x square. So, if you substitute x value as 1.4, you will get RP equal to under root of 23.04, that equal to 4.8. So, but we know that RP is twice of RP is RM. So, RM equal to 2 into RP, that equal to 2 into 4.8, that equal to 9.6. Thus, distance between Reshma and Manideep is 9.6 meters. A circular park of radius 20 meters is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed, and David are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Let Ankur, Syed, and David are sitting at A, S, and D respectively in the circular park with center O, such that AS equal to SD equal to DA. That is, triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. As it is given in the question, the distance between each boy is same, so we get an equilateral triangle. Let the length of such side of an equilateral triangle be 2x. Draw AM perpendicular to SD. Since triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle, AM passes through O. So SM equal to half SD, that equal to half of 2x. So SM equal to x. Now in right triangle ASM, we have AM square plus SM square, that equal to A square using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, AM square equal to AS square minus SM square, that equal to 2x square minus x square, which gives AM equal to under root of 3x meters. Now OM equal to AM minus OA, that equal to root 3x minus 20 meters. Again, in right triangle OSM, we have OA square equal to SM square plus OM square using Pythagoras theorem. If you simplify, you will get x equal to 10 root 3 meters. Here, OS is a radius which equal to 20 meters and SM we have taken as x. So x square plus OM value we got as root 3x minus 20 above. So by simplifying, you will get x equal to 10 root 3 meters. Now SD equal to 2x, that equal to 20 root 3 meters. Thus, the length of string of each phone is equals to 20 root 3 meters. Thank you, my dear students. That's all for today.